Hi, this is Joshua from Shared2FA. I wanted to record a quick video walking through the email profile that we have here at Shared2FA, how to create that profile, and what it does. So in the world of two-factor authentication, phone profile, whether that's SMS or phone call, or an authenticator profile, are very common. However, we have a third option, and I think its application is more than just two-factor authentication, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's just click on that. Let's just do Joshua testing email. Create this profile. The next thing we need to decide is what Slack channel these messages are going to be arriving in. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to do customer testing. Awesome. Now Shared2FA is going to give us an email. Looks like this. Now any emails sent to or forwarded to this email are going to arrive in our Slack channel. So I'm going to copy this over and I'm just going to send a quick test email. Joshua testing, and I'm going to send. Then it takes a couple seconds here, but any emails sent to or forwarded to this address are going to be arriving in our Slack channel. There we go. View the message. There you go. Joshua testing. So whatever the contents of this email were, they would be here. So if you had a two-factor authentication through email, that email would be here. Anyone in this channel will be able to access that and log in. Hopefully that makes sense. Any questions, let us know. Thanks. Talk to you later.